Hello again, boys and girls. Now we're going to do science. Okay, so let's talk about our butterfly journal, or should I say right now, they are caterpillars. Mine is here. Now, they arrived on Friday afternoon, so I'm going to show you what they actually look like. Well, not actually, but how I drew them in my journal. I put the date May 15th, and see how small they are? Can you say? Okay. Then I put the date May 16th for Saturday. They were a little bigger. May 17th for Sunday, a little more. They grew. And then May 18th, yesterday. And then May 19th, today. So each day they've gotten a little bigger. And this is what you should be doing in your daily observation journal, okay? And taking good care of them. And here's a picture, or here are what mine look like. Can you see them? So each day they're going to grow a little more, and each day you should put it in your journal. Okay, and you see the webbing that helps protect them. Okay, well, we're going to start talking about another life cycle while we're also studying the caterpillar life cycle. Okay, we're going to start talking about plants. Where do they come from? Right, seeds. What do you know about seeds? What is a seed? Right, the first thing that comes to your mind is they grow. Okay, that's one thing, true. And then the second thing that comes to your mind is probably that they are small. But that's not true, because not all seeds are small. Okay, I'm sure you've all eaten apples and oranges and grapes, watermelon, right? So you know that seeds come in different sizes. A watermelon seed is larger than an apple seed, right? Oh, yes. Okay, but seeds are even bigger than that. Did you know that a coconut from a palm tree, that is a seed? I believe that is the biggest seed. So seeds come in many shapes, many sizes, and many colors. I have some seeds here, and some seeds we even eat. And we're going to talk about that in a minute too. Okay, I'll start with a small seed. Now this is from papaya. And papaya is a fruit that you would eat. They're pretty small. Okay, they're in the bag. Okay, see how small it is in my hand? There are seeds even smaller than that. Well, here's another one. I believe this one was from a cucumber. Cucumber seeds you can eat. Those are a seed that you eat. So some seeds are safe to eat. You wouldn't want to eat this seed though, would you? No, this is from an avocado. But I'm going to send you an experiment next week that you can do with one of these when it's dried out. Okay, here in a tomato, this is a cherry tomato. Do you see the little seeds? And these are safe to eat. Sure. So some seeds are easily digestible. Okay, here on my bread, I have some seeds. These are grain. This is wheat bread. And we can eat the seeds on that. Did you know that even popcorn? You eat popcorn. It comes from these little seeds. Popcorn kernel. Hey, in your butterfly kit, you did get a packet of wildflower seeds. It would be a good time to plant them, since we're talking about seeds. And then your butterflies will have some place to enjoy. Okay, here are 2 seeds you would not eat that were in a cherry. Can you see them? 2 cherry seeds. You don't want to eat those. Okay, we also eat beans. Beans are seeds. So here is a lima bean. Okay, I wouldn't eat it because it's not cooked. And we're going to do an experiment in a couple days with the lima beans I sent you. Okay, here are it's a kidney bean. It's uncooked, but again, it's a seed, and you eat it. And my favorite bean, the black bean. Yummy. Okay, but, oh, here. Now, pine cone itself is not a seed, but it carries seeds. So when you see a pine cone that's open, that means it's already emptied out its seeds. But where did these seeds come from? Well, they came from a mother plant, and that's what a seed is. A seed is the part of the plant that can grow into new plants if they are given the right conditions. And when we talk more about plants, you'll know what those are. I think you already know what most of them are, right? So this, when it was a closed pine cone, had seeds in it. So these little, they look like little branches. They're protecting the seed. And then when they open up, the seeds come out and more trees can grow. Flowers have seeds. You don't notice the seeds because you're so caught up looking at the beautiful petals of the flower. But the purpose of the petals is not just to make a beautiful flower, but to protect the seeds, because the seeds are the new life that can grow. A new plant can grow. Okay, beans, popcorn, nuts. How many of you like nuts? I'm nuts about nuts. Nuts are a type of seed that we eat. You might have some seeds in the cereal that you eat. Okay, and these are very healthy for you. So behind me I have a picture of some fruit, and some fruits have seeds in them. Now the banana, if you ever looked inside the banana, there's teeny tiny things. Those are actually seeds. Or apple seeds, orange seeds, grapes have seeds. Where are the seeds on a strawberry? I don't see seeds on the inside of a strawberry when I bite into it, do you? No, because they're on the outside, and those are seeds that you eat. Lemons have seeds, or so watermelons have seeds. A peach has seeds. You wouldn't eat that. That's too big. You would not want to eat that. The pineapple seeds are usually on the outside of the pineapple. Here's a mango. Oh, I had a mango seed at school. I forgot to bring it home. Those are very long. You don't eat the mango seed. And olives have some. Okay, so a fruit is the part of a plant that develops from a flower. The fruit contains seeds of the plant. It covers and protects the seeds. So the fleshy part that we eat protects the seed, kind of like the flower, the petals, protect the seeds. A fruit may have fleshy or dry tissue, meaning when you bite into it. Okay, so we are going to be studying seeds and plants and how they grow. Okay, another thing we should talk about is vegetables while we're on the topic of fruits. So most often your fruits have seeds. Most people think a tomato is a vegetable because we usually eat it with a salad and other vegetables, right? But a tomato is actually a fruit. It is fleshy, right? You bite into it. It has the seeds inside. And it's juicy. It's a fruit. Okay, here's some vegetables. Okay, I don't see any seeds on those vegetables, right? Well, let's talk about what a vegetable is. A vegetable is any edible part of a plant. Edible means you can eat it. That does not contain the seed. Vegetables are usually root vegetables. So root vegetable means it grows under the ground. The part you eat grows under the ground. Right? The carrot grows under the ground. The beet and the potato, onion, radishes, they grow under the ground, so they would be a root vegetable. Rhubarb pie, so good. Rhubarb jam, really good. Okay, and then you have your cauliflower, your lettuce, spinach, asparagus. Those are vegetables that grow above the ground. Okay, but they don't have seeds. And our fruits do. I have a great seed book to read you, but I left it at school, so I'll be going back tomorrow to get it. So what you're going to do is, acorns. You know, acorns are seeds. I would like you to go outside and maybe see how many seeds you can find outside. You know those dandelion things, and you blow them, and you make a wish? Those are seeds, and your help scatter them. So I would like you to see if you can, maybe in your yard, see what falls from the trees. A lot of seeds, and they'll bring new life. And in the foods that you eat, in green beans, did you know that there are seeds in there? It is a kind of bean, and it has, if you cut it in half or if you open it, you can see the little tiny seeds. Peas are a bean, and I eat them. Do you eat them? They're good for you. Okay, so what you're going to do is, in this picture, color all of the seeds. Wheat Those are a grain. Remember the little red hen? She had to plant the seeds to grow the wheat. Well, there's more seeds in the grown wheat. Well, that's a grain. Grains are seeds. That's usually what's in your cereal. Okay, then here you're going to match the seed to the plant that it will grow into. Now look carefully, because these two are a little tricky. Look carefully. And remember, I said the coconut is the largest seed. So where does that go to? What plant? And we eat coconut too, right? And here you're going to sort. Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? So you look carefully. All right, boys and girls, we're going to have some fun with plant life cycle and with our butterfly life cycle. All right, that's a wrap. I will see you tomorrow.